My name is Malik Daly, and we'll be going over how to install a receipt printer. To start off, we'll go ahead and install the driver. You can find the driver on your corresponding manufacturer's homepage. Once you select the driver that you need to install, you can just go through the prompts. So for right now, we're going to click Accept, and now make sure to select the correct receipt printer, and then click Next. And now make sure to always do your typical, don't do Advanced, and click Next. Make sure your ports are correct, and click Install. And then it will take care of the rest. Once it's finished, follow its steps. And if you don't have your receipt printer turned on, now you can turn it on. And the test to make sure everything is working correctly, you can come to the Start menu, the bottom corner, type in Printers and Scanners. You're going to open that up. You'll find your receipt printer and go to Manage, and then you can print the test page. Now it's working. Next up, we're going over how to uninstall a receipt printer. To do so, you can find it in the driver package. For this one, it's already just saying uninstall.exe. So we're just going ahead and double click it to run it, and we're going to make sure that we are uninstalling the correct one. You can just go ahead and click Select All if you know that's correct. Otherwise, you can manually select which one you want to uninstall, and then click Uninstall. Once that is finished, if you want to double check if it's uninstalled correctly, you can come to Control Panel. So you click on the Start menu, type in Control Panel, and then under Programs, you can click Uninstall a Program. Next, you're going to find the manufacturer, and we see Receipt Now. And then we can go ahead and right-click it and uninstall. Once it's finished, it should ask you to restart your computer. Make sure you click No until you're finished uninstalling all of your programs.